through my journey, I got promoted 3 times, and I also had the opportunity to deal with regulators. And when I dealt with the regulators, I find that I had the knowledge to handle whatever question they ask. My name is Ann Tan. I'm currently the Head of Compliance and the Data Protection Officer. I have been in the compliance role for the past 15 years and the data protection role in the past 8 years. Sometime in 2014, I was enrolled to be a DPO. I realized that I know nothing about what this DPO role was all about. So I went in to do a lot of research, trying to look for courses, trying to find out what exactly this DPO is. And somehow or other, I came across Strict Interactive. So I went to my management and said that, hey, I need to attend a 3-day course so that I can perform my role better. And I remember vaguely that was in early 2015. So I was one of those pioneer people who actually attended the course. So it was a 3-day course. They were actually sharing with us what does a data protection course entail, what's the role of a data protection. They have actually highlighted that, if there's any breach that happen, the DPO alone is not responsible. The whole management team will be responsible. But as DPO, I need to be able to make sure that all the policies are in place. And how do I write the policies? What are the policies I should be thinking about to write? It also taught me that if there's a breach that happened, roughly how should I step up to handle that breach. So actually the hands-on data protection, I would say, is more so to help the new DPOs get started on the journey and how to write a policy to make sure you can implement in the company so that, if should there be any breach, at least we can show the regulators that we have our policy in place. I was able to put in practice what I have learned, understand it from my financial industry, is that how this is going to impact me, my organization, as well as the industry. The DPO inbox also helped in terms that I was able to do the risk management report to show to my management and says, Department A require immediate attention. Department B require moderate attention. What are the high risks that we need to settle first? After attending this one course, I got interested in data protection, and I went on a yearly basis to sign up for other courses that's provided by Strict Interactive. Through my journey, I got promoted 3 times, and I also had the opportunity to deal with regulators because there was a breach in my past company. And when I dealt with the regulators, I find that I had the knowledge to handle whatever question they asked. I was able to produce policies and show it to them that I have all the policy in place. I was able to provide training sets to say that all my staff has been trained. I was able to provide all the attendance to show to them that yes, we have done this training on a yearly basis. So now that this breach, it has nothing to do with compliance with me or with the organization. And I was able to inform the regulators also and says that our company should not be implicated in this breach because we have done what is needed. So in the end, the regulator accepted our explanation and the agent was fined instead of the organization. I would say that all this would not have happened if not because of Strict Interactive and the courses that I attended. Honestly, if I had not attended this hands-on data protection course, and I don't have any policy in place, should there be a breach, I really won't know how to face the regulators because as regulators, they normally want to see hard evidence. They will want to see where are all your evidence, where are all your policies. So if I had not attended this course, I wouldn't know how to write my policies. And policies is something you require skills to write. And policies differs from industry to industry, company to company. So you need to understand where is your data process flow first in each of your departments within the organization. Then only you can come out with the policies. And even after I attend this 3-day course, I was still contacting Strict Interactive, to ask them, says that I'm faced with this situation. How do I proceed from here? And they were very helpful. They come back to me and they told me, says, and you do step 1, step 2, step 3, and then they recommend me another course to take where they actually tell me how to do policies and all that. If you attend this course, trust me, you will never regret it. It was very challenging for me at the beginning. After attending a 3-day course, I had a lot of issues trying to convince my management why I needed data protection committee to be set up. I had to come up with a business proposal where I actually highlight for my training what are the risks that our company is currently facing right now. And I presented to the management, and it was only then that when they saw that this could happen to them, okay, that they decided to form the Data Protection Committee. So this course, I would say, it helps me starting my journey